Took you on a holiday for 2 weeks out in Vegas. We spent all our money on designers like we famous. Dragged me in a church, we said our vows in front of Elvis. He was in that one piece, had the whole thing cut in velvet. He said,
shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange.
You might as well shake it, baby.
Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Blue strange, blue strange. Shake it, shake it.
Woke up in the morning in some room of the Bellagio. Best friend to my left and to my right, some girl I don't know.
Really?
Please don't tell me that we threw the sofa out the window. Turn around, see Elvis eating peanut butter jello. He said,
Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange.
you might as well shake it, baby.
Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Shake it, baby, shake it like it's blue strange. Blue strange, blue strange. Shake it, shake it.
You could have noticed I'm here at the door. I waited the parking lots and metropolitan shores. I drove here from Michigan on hope of a freight. Said maybe in 10 years, well, if I remember your name, I said.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm still scripting and working on my next actual full-length real video. But thanks for tuning back in for another compilation in the meantime. I don't know what do YouTubers usually say here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Oh yeah, and special thanks to my patrons, Rebecca, Elias, Kevin, Christian, Theo, Caleb, and Aiden. Thank you guys so much for helping make this possible.